everyone, today I am going to tell you the summary of chapter 5th of Alien Hand Golu Grows a Nose. This is very interesting chapter. Okay, I have divided the summary of this chapter in some points. By the help of these points, you will understand the summary easily. Okay, so let's start now. Listen carefully. First point is in ancient time. At a time long ago, elephants devoid of trunks. In place of trunks, the elephants had bulgy nose. Golu was a baby elephant who was by nature curious and always had a lot of questions. Golu once asked an ostrich that why it doesn't fly like other birds. He also asked a question to his big uncle, the hippopotamus, that why his eyes are so red. Okay. Next point is on meeting with Mena. On meeting a Mena, Golu asks, "What does a crocodile eats for dinner?" Most noteworthy, Golu had no experience of a crocodile. He had never before seen a crocodile and had no idea about its diet. Consequently, Golu began to grow more and more curious regarding the crocodile and its eating habits. In order to search for the answer, Golu decided to visit the great grassy Limpo river due to the advice given by the Mena. Okay. Next point is meeting with Python. On his way to the river, Golu met a python. So Golu asked Python the same crocodile question but received no answer from the python. However, the python decided to quietly follow Golu. This would turn out to be a very important decision, as he would find out later on. Finally, Golu reached the river. On reaching the river, Golu noticed a big log of wood. As it turns out, this log of wood was actually the crocodile. Okay. Next point is struggle between Golu and crocodile. The crocodile winked at Golu and asked him that has he ever seen a crocodile before. The crocodile explains that he was a crocodile and he sheds crocodile tears so as to show that it was true. Okay. Golu was certainly frightened at this moment. In spite of the fear, Golu asked the crocodile that what does he have for dinner. The crocodile then decided to trick Golu to coming near him. He asked Golu to come near so that he can whisper the answer. As Golu went near him, the crocodile quickly grabbed him by the nose. The crocodile then told Golu that he would be his dinner. Okay. Watching this, the python came to help Golu. The python helped Golu to pull hard. Okay. The python tell Golu to pull hard. Now began the struggle of pushing between the crocodile and Golu. The python quickly coiled himself around Golu and began to pull him. During this struggle, the nose of Golu kept getting larger. Okay. Now, last point. At last, ultimately, Golu became free from the crocodile, but his nose became 5 feet long. Golu spent a long time for his nose to shrink. Then the python reminded him of the benefits of the long nose. In the end, Golu thanked the wise python and went home. Okay. So I think you will have understood the summary of this chapter. Have a nice day. Like the video and subscribe my channel. Okay.